Alright, got these jokers situated. Now let me slide them on back to me a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on. Come on. There you go. Alright. Curl him up. Nothing coming behind me. Alright. Spin them on around. Okay, another quello should be back. Another quello should be back. Walk him on back some. And my even Steven. Steven, come on. Come on. Even Steven. Even Steven. Alright. Alright. Done deal. Shut her down, Eddie. Shut her down. Not bad for John Deere controls. First time I had ever used those. But it is what it is. Yepper, 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 yepper. Yepper, yepper, yepper. There. There. Now. Across there. In a loop. In a loop. In a loop. Really, bro? Really? Oh, that's just freaking great. Come on in. Just great. Whatever. It's gonna ride today. Oh, what? Hello. Hello.